Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, the channel where you're going to learn about brand and marketing to thrive with your business. My name is Ashley and I'm a brand coach and brand photographer. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Instagram bios. So I will be doing a whole series of videos about Instagram for you to optimize your account and have the best result if you want to have more reach, more engagement, and also build a connection with your audience. So let's start with your Instagram photo profile. This is very important that photo is at this best quality ever. This photo should be very clean, very clear, and please avoid to have a background that is too crowded. We don't want to see your plant, your cat, and your bed, and your cousin passing by, and your mom cooking behind. It's going to be too much. You want people to focus on you, specifically if you are a coach, a service-based business, an entrepreneur, an influencer. You want people to recognize you because that is part of your personal brand. And remember that your bio, when people don't know you on Instagram, this is the first thing that they see about you or your business. So you have to understand something. It's like, let's say for the first time we're meeting face to face in real life, okay? You're gonna see me and that's human nature. You might judge me based off what I look, how I dress, if I'm looking professional or not, if I'm looking like I don't take care of myself or not. So this is the same for your Instagram bio. Think about the fact that if your Instagram account was a person, that will be your face, the first thing that people look at when they see you. Also for that specific picture, I will not recommend you to change that photo too often. I know people that are like, oh, I need to refresh up that photo, so I'm gonna put another one for the next quarter, for the next month, for the next week. Leave that photo alone because people need to recognize you. They need to just, get along with the fact that, oh, this photo is that person or is coming from that business. Let them remember you first, because if you're changing that photo too much, too many times, people will forget about you. So let that picture sink into the memory land of people so they can remember you. And then after maybe a year from that or 2 years from that, you can change it up. Number 2, your name. Do not put, hi, my name is Melody. People don't know you and nobody go to the search bar like typing for your first name. So make sure that you're putting actually what it is that you're doing. So if you're a New Yorker photographer, put New York photographer, Paris videographer, Melbourne online coach, I don't know, Port-au-Prince business coach, whatever, but make sure that it is including your location and what it is that you're doing, because this is actually what people type into the search bar to find you. This is very, very important. I can tell you Instagram is the main platform that brings me customer to my business. Point number 3 is your niche statement or your achievement. So now people have seen your photos, they've seen your tag name. There is this little space here where you can put 2 to 3 lines. You're gonna explain exactly what it is that you're doing and for who you're doing it. So that will be your niche statement. If you don't know how to build a niche statement, I will do a video about that and I will link it just right over here for you to know what you can say that could help you. If you have some great achievement, I've seen a lot of people in certain industry put how many followers they have on YouTube, or I've helped thousands of students doing this when they're trying to sell programs. That is actually super great because that shows authority. That shows to people that, oh, okay, that person have a large amount of customer or following. So she might be a very well-known coach, a very well-known teacher, a very well-known consultant, a very well-known influencer. That could be a place where you put your achievement. Don't think that, oh, it's too braggy, I will not do that because I don't know, I don't feel comfortable. Because if this is your job, if you're an influencer and this is your job, you want people to know that. If you're doing business, you want people to know that you are an authority. That shows that you're serious. Number 4, it's gonna be your link in bio. So this one is very, very important. Listen closely because I want you to understand a few things here. Put a link in bio specifically if you are a service-based business or a digital product-based business. Why? Because we're not allowed right now at the moment that I'm doing this video to use the shop section. The shop section button on Instagram is only for people who have like physical product. So businesses who are physical product are willing to use the shop section and to make sales directly, which is a great feature. So that specific link in your bio plays a very important part in your sales funnel, your marketing funnel. If you don't have one or you don't know much about it, please look at this video over here. I will link it and you will understand why it is very important for you, particularly if you have a service-based business or digital product-based business, to have that link. So you still want to attract people. The thing is that attracting people is not the goal. Attracting people is one of the steps, and this is the awareness step part of your funnel. And after that, you want to bring that traffic to your website. There is no guarantee that tomorrow Instagram, YouTube, and all of those platforms, TikTok, will still exist. You can stop yourself from making money or having customer or people that are willing to want to work with you or ask you for more just because you don't have that link, and they will be like, okay, so I'm just following her here. Also, I know that there is many options. A lot of people are using Linktree to actually link their freebie or their masterclasses or their Instagram templates or ebook and things like that. What I would recommend you to do is to not use a third-party platform. Build a page on your website and just add those buttons. This is exactly what I've done. And I'm gonna tell you why. The thing is that if you put that link in your bio and you send your audience, your traffic to that third party, how can you really track how many people, went to that page? And I know you're gonna tell me, well, Ashley, if you go to statistic on Instagram, you can see how many clicks. Yes, but that page, you should use it on different platforms. So my social page where I put all of my links, of course, it's the link that you can find in my Instagram bio, but I also use it here in the description box of YouTube. And I want to know how many people click on that link and how many of them are coming from YouTube, how many of them are coming from Instagram, how many of them are coming from Facebook, because I put that link on different places. And this is very important when you do business, when you do marketing, to know where the traffic is coming from, because you want to improve how you do business, how you market, how you use your links, how you use your traffic when you know exactly where people are coming from, how they have found you. And the thing is that if you put a Linktree or any third-party type of app, as your link, well, the traffic is going to go to that link, but I'm not sure that all of those platforms give you insight about how many people actually went to that page and how many people click on button number 1, button number 2, button number 3. When I created that page, I remember I used to put the contact me first as a button. And I decided to track each button, each link. And I tried a few things. And then I realized that my freebie coming first was actually giving me more results. People were doing my quizzes. I'm growing my list automatically, which is even better because I get to have more warm leads. The traffic that I have on Instagram, there is a percentage of that goes to that link and then do my quiz, and I am able to grow my list, which is very important. And then I have a second freebie. It is my masterclass, and it's all about how to build a brand in demand. So if you want to know how to actually have traffic and what are those mistakes that entrepreneurs online are doing, please make sure to subscribe to that masterclass, because it will be a full hour of jam-packed value and it will be free. So you have the link down below. Now, I cannot give you a tangible example because everybody is using different platforms. I personally use WordPress for my website and also Kartra, and with tracking links that I am creating, I know exactly where our people are coming from. And the second reason is that I'm able to actually change the whole brand identity and vibe. So those third parties will ask you to pay if you want to put more colors or have the buttons being squared instead of have round corners and stuff like that. And I think like they're making money off of things that you could do and have for free. And I think that even in the free plan, you're limited on, the number of links that you want to put. Also, what you want is for people to focus on few things, not, too many things. So please do not put too many links. Like 10 links is too much. Like,
here's the link for my YouTube channel, here's the link for my Twitter account, and the link for my freebie number 1, and my freebie number 2, and then my ebook over there, and then also this, and then also that, and then this offer.
Like, it's too much. You want people to have few options so they know exactly what option they have. The next point is that if you have a business or a creator account, use those buttons that Instagram give you. The email button, the delivery button, the shop button. There is so many of them. Something that I've seen recently is people that click directly on my email button and email me. They don't even click on the link in bio. So you never know if people want to order from you. They want to see where is the address of your business. They want to contact you. Put your email, because some people will not lose time. They really just want to do business with you and contact you. So put an address email that it's an address email to receive inquiries and questions. If it's your own personal address email and you don't want people to spam you and send you like emails all the time, just don't put that address email there. At the end of the day, you have to remember that this is a call to action, and this is exactly what you want people to do on your social media. You want them to engage. You want them to take a step further. Either it's liking, commenting, saving, sharing, contacting you, click here, and things like that. You want them to interact with you, with your business, because that shows that somebody cares. Now the last one is emojis. Emojis can be very, very helpful. If I look at your bio and it's just a bunch of things, that could be very boring to the eye. But if there is an emoji, like I know that I use the pointing finger down or the arrow, I don't really remember, to show to people there is my link. So hopefully all of these advices will help you. If you have found that interested or helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. I will do a series of videos about Instagram, so subscribe so you make sure that you don't miss any of them and you improve your Instagram account so you can have more reach, more engagement, and connect with your audience. And I'm sure that you will also like this video over here. Don't forget to take care, and as for me, I will see you on the next one.